Court of Justice of the European Communities. The Court of Justice of the European Communities is divided into two courts, Court of Justice and General Court. Court of Justice of the European Communities. House of Lords. The Queen's speech is delivered in the House of Lords during the state opening of Parliament. House of Lords.
Crown Court.
The Crown Court received 136,000 criminal cases.
Crown Court.
High Court.
The appeal was rejected by the High Court.
High Court.
Magistrates' Court.
A person charged by the police with an offense is sent to a magistrate's court.
Magistrates' Court. County Court.
What happens, and what you need to do, if somebody makes a county court claim saying you owe them money.
County Court.
Supreme Court.
The Supreme Court ruled it was not unconstitutional.
Supreme Court.
Court of Military Appeals. States Court of Military Appeals is essential to the accomplishment of justice in the armed forces. Court of Military Appeals. 94 District Courts. 94 District Court for a particular geographic area hears general litigation issues as well as challenges to federal laws. 94 District Courts. Tax Court. The Tax Court cannot extend the time for filing which is set by statute. Tax Court. International Trade Court. The geographical jurisdiction of the International Trade Court extends throughout the United States. International Trade Court. Claims Court. In Claims Court, you can sue for money or the return of personal property valued at $25,000 or less, not including interest and costs. Claims Court. Court of Veterans' Appeals. The Court of Veterans' Appeals' primary mission, according to Associate Judge John J. Farley, is to review cases for errors of law. Court of Veterans' Appeals.
Court of Appeal for the Federal Circuit. The Court of Appeal for the Federal Circuit was created by Congress with the passage of the Federal Courts Improvement Act of 1982. Court of Appeal for the Federal Circuit.
Court of Appeal Criminal Division. Court of Appeal Criminal Division is based at the Royal Courts of Justice in London. Court of Appeal Criminal Division. Courts of Military Review. In the event the Court of Military Review was not ready when it was first needed. Courts of Military Review. Court of Appeal Civil Division. You may be able to appeal a county court or high court decision to the Court of Appeal Civil Division. Court of Appeal Civil Division.
Courts of Appeal. Half the 12 judges of the Courts of Appeal will reach mandatory retirement age in the next 3 years.